Okay, so we have chosen our tech stack. What tech stack we are going to use? Let's talk about our user stories. So we are going to add other user stories according to business needs, but as you know, this is going to be a series of crash courses. So in this specific crash course, we are covering three user stories. The first one is, of course, buyer sign in. That means the buyer will be able to sign in using registered email and password. And for buyer sign up, buyer will be able to create an account, will email, password, and other basic informations. And for reset password, if a buyer forgets their password, we are also going to show the provide the user functionality to reset their password. Okay. So let's explore our first user story. So the first user story, as a buyer, as I said earlier, you should be able to sign up for an account with a valid email, name, and password. And the prerequisites are simple. The user has to have a valid email address, and acceptance criteria will be buyers can register with a unique email address. That means there will be only one account with one email address, and the buyer should have a valid name. I'm going to show you how you can validate the name. And the buyer should provide a complex password, one capital, one simple numbers, and minimum of 8 characters. And for API specification, I'm going to show you in a moment when I introduce you to our API endpoints. Okay. So the next user story is the buyer should be able to sign in with the email account they have created. And the acceptance criteria are simple. The buyer will be able to log in with their email and password. And after their login is complete, they will be redirected to their profile page. And also the reset password, if the buyer forgets their password, they can easily enter their email and they will get a verification code in their email. So after they enter their verification code or OTP, they will be able to reset their password and log back into their account.